Hey, what's up, SLP coin holder? And this time, my friend, every coin will dumps down, but SLP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency to this coin will get in the profit, and absolutely if a holder are starting selling, so therefore I will notify you, my friend. But please don't starting selling, hold it. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time they will give you a profit. And absolutely, if you want to be safe from the loss, so now do this what I tell you. I hope you will never lose, my friend. SLP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency in the crypto market, but definitely when a holder are starting selling, so therefore the coin will fails down. So please don't starting selling, my friend. Please, if you also starting selling, so the coin will fails down. So therefore, I will notify you plus 2.53% the price will decrease now. So I am so happy. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time also they will do something like that, but I hope they will recover everything now. So my friends, SLP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and this time, my friend, absolutely holder are very shocked, my friends, to see this all now, because they cannot see this all now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming times you will also want to get a profit now. So go now. I hope this is very like now, and you will also accept this now. Thanks for watching, SLP holder. Please, my prediction is going to be 5 now. I hope tomorrow they will also give you a profit. So if you want to earn money now, invest. I hope they will give you a profit.